to quickly switch between keyboards on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, instead of changing them on the phone setting menu, you can enable show keyboard button on the navigation bar option. So you can use this button to easily switch between keyboard while you are typing. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find General Management. Tap General Management. Tap Keyboard List and Default. And then tap the gray on offset next to keyboard button on navigation bar until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Now open an app where you can type with your keyboard, like when you are texting someone on WhatsApp. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. You can see that your phone will display the small keyboard icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. To switch between keyboards you have on your phone, tap this icon and then select the desired keyboard you like to use. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.